Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
And I am Carter. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but you will, we are not in our house.
Yeah, we're at an Airbnb short-term rental for the weekend.
Yeah, and it is really nice. It's pricey, but it's beautiful. And we are gonna show you guys around the place. If you're new here, we go by Fish and Sparrow on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So nice to meet you. This place is located by Miami. We're what, 20 minutes from Miami?
Yes, Hollywood.
Yeah. Hollywood, so in between Fort Lauderdale and Miami. Just want to take a little staycation, and we found this beautiful place. So we're excited to show you guys
what a $2,000 a night rental looks like. So.
Yeah, this place comes in at just around $2,000 a night after all the fees and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it's pretty pricey.
But it's really nice. So
it's really nice.
Give you guys like a little peek.
Yeah, and it's a 3-bedroom, so you can fit six plus people. It's just us, so we have a lot of space.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're excited to show you.
The living room here. Very cute, bright, vibrant colors. Love the layout here, very open space. And then we also got a pool table right in the middle when you walk in. And then we got this really big kitchen, open space. I feel like I'm a realtor right now.
Alex is putting on his realtor hat.
I love a big kitchen, so this is really nice.
This is awesome. This kitchen, I really like this hood or whatever it's called. It's just a really nice place. And it's spacious.
Yeah.
And this is, I love it.
I love how they incorporate like the floral on the walls.
Yeah, like there's so many details. The little details like make it worth it. You'll see, but compared to like a place that is not so expensive, which I totally get.
Yeah, you can see they put their time and effort into like little details, which make a big difference. So
big difference. Alright, my turn to be a realtor for a little bit. So,
how many bedrooms is this place?
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Or wait, yeah.
2-bath.
3-bedroom, but there's 4 beds.
Yeah.
You'll see. So this is the first guest room. It's spacious. We have a nice queen bed. Some curtains here. That's a floor. Yeah. This is bedroom 1. But they're just like, they're pretty.
Yeah, they're pretty.
They did a good job decorating.
Cute.
So moving off into the next guest room.
This would be like the kids' room,
Yeah,
probably.
this is where there's two twins, 2 full. Put these tall curtains, which makes the place seem higher, like taller than it is.
Yeah.
Your first bathroom.
Cute little bathroom.
Oh, going back to the details.
Right.
Like the Airbnb host gave us this like soap.
I think it's like...
It's like scrub.
Scrub.
Yeah, so just like the little details. Then this is the master. Look how pretty.
Ooh.
It's just...
There's a closet in there. There's a TV. She had like little nature playing in every single room.
Yeah, this is the master.
Very comfy.
We're lounging.
Yeah, this blanket is like very soft.
Yeah, it's just nice, right? Like this place is just nice. It's spacious. The beds are comfortable. Alex is falling asleep.
No.
But when we got here, the host had all the lights on, all the TVs on, like, I don't know if you can hear it, but like birds and nature sounds in the background.
The AC was nice.
Yeah, everything was like set up.
She even had like bubbles playing for us, or going for us out in the patio, remember?
Like a bubble machine, not like champagne.
Right.
Yeah, so.
And a bottle set out as well.
5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10, whatever you want to rate that. Okay, so the master bath.
Master bathroom with a nice shower. It's got like little things. What are these called?
Shower heads? I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's got like little shower heads down here.
Yeah.
Very nice. I had a shower in here earlier and it was 10 out of 10.
The bathrooms here are not that impressive.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
I would say the patio is probably the most impressive. Are you ready for the grand finale?
Go ahead.
Picturesque places. Seats.
This is a nice fire pit, which we'll be using later. But yeah, this is outside.
Again, like good like picture moments here with all
they have what's it called? A
floral wall.
I don't know what this is called, but This is a wall full of
That's real plants.
real plants.
Look at these.
One of the main reasons we chose this place,
Because of this beauty.
the hot tub.
So we're gonna jump in now.
We're gonna get hot and then we're gonna get in the hot tub.
Hopefully it cools off later.
All right, so it is the next day. It's the next morning. Just went and got coffee. We're gonna revisit the backyard because yesterday it was pretty
Gloomy.
Yeah, it was like gloomy and cloudy, and now it's sunny and pretty, and the backyard is just like the selling point. So we're gonna go back there once more.
We had a good time last night, honestly. We ended up going to the store, buying some steaks, grilling out, hanging out, playing some pool.
Yep.
And then we went into the pool and the hot tub. So
Yeah,
just
it
kind
was
of did a
nice.
little bit of everything. And then there's also a little fireplace out there that we lit up and sat around the fire and just chatted up a storm.
So before we go out back one more time and show you the beautiful backyard, we are going to go through 3 categories and just rate out of 10.
We're pretty much gonna do what Instant Hotel did.
Yeah, we watched this show on
Yes.
Netflix called Instant Hotel, and it's an Australian-based show where these couples go around to their Airbnbs and rate them. It's pretty good if you haven't seen it. I don't think it's that popular. So, what are the categories?
First category is like good night's sleep.
Yeah, so night's sleep.
So what would we rate good night's sleep out of 10?
I had a good night's sleep. The bed was comfortable. It was clean. The AC worked really well. So
Yeah,
I'd
it was
probably
cold.
give
It was nice, comfortable.
like an 8 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10 as well.
Yeah. What was missing?
Probably down pillows.
Other 2 categories are value for money and location / like some nearby attractions. Value for money. So what is it listed at? It's like
it's listed at $1,400 a night
14.
plus like cleaning fees and everything. So
yeah. So it's
a little bit over that.
It's pretty steep. It's like $1,400, and then Airbnb has those crazy fees. I think in total, like it's around $2,000 a night.
I would say it's like a little bit overpriced.
Yeah.
We actually didn't pay the full price because we booked it kind of last minute, and the price was lower. Right?
Yeah. Value for money.
It was-
Like I said, overpriced. But something to note is that this is a 3-bedroom place. We're only one, so if you brought 6 or 7 people
Very
and
true.
split it up, it would be affordable.
Right.
But-
For like just 2 people, it's a little bit overpriced.
Yeah.
But
I would say like 7 out of 10 maybe.
for what value for money?
Yeah, like the rate.
Yeah,
If-
7 out of 10 is
It's
good.
yeah, but it's a great place. And then the location / attractions nearby. So this place is in Hollywood, Florida, which is like in between 2 big cities, Fort Lauderdale and Miami.
So technically, Miami is really not that far.
It's
like
20
a 20
minutes.
minute drive. So
It depends where you're trying to go. Like if we were like going on a trip where we wanted to do stuff in Fort Lauderdale and Miami one day, this would be perfect.
yeah.
And we've stayed at a lot of Airbnbs. This is one of the better ones that we've stayed at.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, one of the best. Actually, for me personally, it's been the best.
Probably this was the most like accommodating Airbnb.
Yeah.
There wasn't anything where I was like, dang, this is missing or that's missing.
Yeah, normally there's like shampoo missing or like
something.
something we don't have. But all right, guys. Well, let's go check out the outside one last time. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is a really nice area because it's all like fenced in. We were talking about how we would love to have this for us because we'd be able to have our dogs out here playing. And those were all like the tiki torches that were lit up at night.
Yeah.
So it was like really pretty at night as well.
Yeah, definitely
I didn't even like notice like the huge palm trees over there.
There's just so many different like, what is it called? Trees?
Yeah.
There's just so many different like aspects to the garden.
It would
and
be
the-
so expensive to plant all those. Those are really expensive.
Yeah, like this shit is not cheap. Like this backyard in itself is really, really pricey. And it's beautiful and it's really well maintained. So like we were saying, I mean, this is the best part of the house. All right, well there you have it. The tropical. This is a tropical oasis, is what I would call it. Yeah, if this was my property, I would list it as a tropical oasis. But there you have it. That was a little tour of this place. Like I said earlier, would recommend it. Yes, it's a little bit pricey, but for everything that you get, I think it's worth it.
What do you guys think? For I guess with all the fees, it's like over 2,000.
Yeah, but it's listed at 1,400, so just say 1,400 a night because that's what it is. But yeah, it's one of those places where you can come and you don't really have to leave to have a good time. But if you're on vacation, you're probably gonna leave to go somewhere. So yeah, let us know what you think.
Yeah, so if you like this place or if you have an opinion about it, drop a comment. We'd love to hear what you say. And be sure to check out some of our other videos as well.
Yes.
And
yeah, as always, of course, we really appreciate the engagement. If you could thumbs up this video if you liked it, it helps a ton with our YouTube channel.
And if you have like a specific Airbnb you guys want us to check out, tag it below. We're thinking about doing some videos like this, just kind of checking out cool Airbnbs, giving reviews.
Yeah, there's one in Key West that we have our eye on. It's like basically a floating hotel room. It's like a tiki hut.
It's like a house on the water.
It's cool. So we might be going there very soon, and that would be a really cool video.
For sure. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, and till next time. Yeah.
Till next time.
Mwah.
Mwah.